Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Fetal hiccups are a common and harmless sign of your baby's diaphragm contracting during development. Regular hiccups often mean your baby is active and growing, but they don't guarantee perfect health. If you notice sudden changes in your baby's movements, it's important to consult your healthcare provider for guidance.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.